morning, everyone. Hi, Olivia. How's your day going so far?
Morning, everyone. Hi, Ryan. It's going well. I made pancakes today for breakfast. What about you?
Pancakes? That sounds amazing. I just had a cup of tea and toast. Nice and simple.
Classic Ryan breakfast. So, what's on your mind today?
Actually, I was thinking about friendship. You know how important friends are in our lives?
That's a great topic. Everyone has friends, or at least we all need them. But sometimes we don't think about what real friendship means.
Exactly. And here's something interesting. Studies show that good friends can actually make you happier and even healthier.
Wow, that's true. So, today, let's talk about friendship, what it means, why it matters, and how to be a good friend.
Perfect. And if you're watching this video, tell us in the comments who is your best friend and what makes them special.
Yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join our English learning family. Now, let's start talking about friendship.
So, Olivia, what comes to your mind when you hear the word friendship?
For me, friendship means trust, care, and fun. It's about people who stay with you in good and bad times.
I agree. Friendship is not just about having fun. It's also about helping each other, listening, and supporting one another.
That's right. For example, when you're sad or worried, a good friend will listen to you. They will try to make you feel better.
Yes. And sometimes, even when they don't say anything, just being there can make a big difference.
Exactly. Friendship is not about talking every day. It's about feeling connected, even when you are far apart.
True. Some friends live in another city or even another country, but when you meet again, it feels like no time has passed.
That's the best kind of friendship, one that doesn't change with distance or time.
You know, Olivia, people often say, a friend in need is a friend indeed.
Oh, yes, that's a great proverb. It means a real friend is someone who helps you when you need it most.
Right. For example, imagine your friend is sick and you bring them food or help with homework. That's real friendship.
And good friends don't judge you. They accept you just as you are.
That's very important. Sometimes people pretend to be someone else to make friends, but true friendship doesn't need that.
Absolutely. Be yourself, and real friends will love you for who you are.
Let's make this fun. Viewers, tell us, what do you think makes a good friend? Comment your answer below.
Great idea. Now, Ryan, let's talk about how to make new friends.
Yes, that's a big question for many people, especially when they move to a new school or city.
The first step is simple. Smile and say hello. A friendly face is the start of a good friendship.
Exactly. You don't need to be perfect. Just show kindness and interest.
You can also ask questions. For example, what do you like to do in your free time? Or do you enjoy music or sports?
Nice examples. Asking simple questions helps you learn about the other person and start a real conversation.
And here's a tip. Listen carefully. When your friend talks, pay attention. Don't just wait for your turn to speak.
That's true. Everyone likes to feel heard. It shows that you care.
And remember, no one is perfect. Sometimes friends disagree. That's normal.
Yes, the important thing is how you handle it. You can say, I understand your point, or let's talk about it.
Good communication can solve most problems. Never shout or stay angry for too long.
Exactly. Forgive and move on. Real friends forgive each other.
That's right. And real friends also celebrate together. Birthdays, success, and happy moments.
Oh, yes. A friend who celebrates your success is a real one. They're not jealous or negative.
So true. A good friend wants to see you grow.
And you know what's amazing? Friendship can teach us many life lessons like patience, kindness, and teamwork.
Yes, when we work or study with friends, we learn to share and support one another.
Exactly. Friendship makes life more colorful and less lonely.
I love that. More colorful and less lonely. That's a beautiful way to say it.
Thank you. And here's a small challenge for everyone watching. Take a few seconds to think of your best friend. Got it?
Great. Now send them a message today. Just say, "Thank you for being my friend."
That small message can make someone's day. Try it.
Ryan, let's also talk about how to be a good friend.
Yes, that's very important. A good friend is honest, loyal, and kind.
Honesty means you tell the truth, even when it's hard.
Loyalty means you stay by your friend's side, even when life gets tough.
And kindness means you think about your friend's feelings and show care.
Exactly. Simple actions like saying thank you, listening, or helping can build strong friendships.
And don't forget respect. Respect your friend's time, space, and opinions.
That's a great point. We can't always agree, but we can always respect.
You know, Ryan, I think friendship is one of the best gifts in life.
I completely agree, Olivia. Friends make every day a little brighter.
And that's why we should take care of our friendships, just like we take care of plants, with time, love, and care.
I love that. Friendship is like a plant. If you water it, it grows. If you ignore it, it fades.
Perfect example. So, everyone watching, don't forget to water your friendships today.
Yes, call a friend, write a message, or simply spend time together.
And remember, a good friend is not about being perfect, it's about being present.
Beautifully said. And if you agree, type in the comments, good friends make life better.
Yes, let's fill the comments with positivity and love.
You know, Olivia, talking about friendship makes me appreciate my friends more.
Me too, Ryan. I think I'll call my best friend after this video.
Great idea. And to all our viewers, maybe you should too.
Thank you so much for watching today's video about friendship. We hope you learned some new words and ideas.
And more importantly, we hope it reminded you of the power of good friends.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite memory with your best friend?
We can't wait to read your stories.
And don't miss our next video. It's about talking about hobbies. You'll love it.
See you next time.